Hi everyone, this is Geetika Vinodni. You're watching Geeta Tricks. In our last section, we discussed about entire syllabus of reasoning, right? Today, in this section, I will explain general mental ability, nothing but quantitative aptitude, one of the topic of verbal reasoning. We know all the topics of general mental ability. We are discussed it in our last section. In this section, I will explain the first one, number. Coming to first one, these are the topics: numbers, types of numbers, tests of divisibility, some results on division, division algorithm, basic formula. In this section, I only explain numbers and types of numbers. Remaining topics I will explain in our next section. Let's start our section. Coming to number. What is number? Number in Hindu-Arabic system, we use 10 symbols, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We call them also digits. Numbers are two types. One is face value of digit in numeral and another one is place value of a digit in numeral. What is face value? Face value means the face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. And place value means it occupying some position. Then what is numeral? Numeral means this is the numeral 3456. What is the difference between face value and place value? Okay, I am giving one example for clarity understanding for me. What is the face value and place value of me? In my home, I am Geetika. It is my face value. Geetika is my face value. At my college, my place value is student into Geetika because I am occupying some position like student. So, my place value is student into Geetika. Coming to our original example 3456. What is the face value of 6? The face value of 6 is absolutely 6 because the face value means itself only. And what is the place value of 6? Place value of 6 is 6 into 1 because 6 is occupies in one's position. So, the place value of 6 is 6 into 1. This is the difference between face and place value. Coming to next one, types of numbers. The types of numbers are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers and coprimes. These are the types of numbers. Okay, let us understood one by one. Coming to first one, natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Example 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are all natural numbers. Here 0 is not a counting number. That's why 0 is not considered in natural numbers. Coming to next one, whole numbers. All counting numbers together with 0 form the set of whole numbers. Note that 0 is whole number which is not a natural number. Second one, every natural number is a whole number. Examples are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Coming to next one is integers. Integers means all counting numbers. 0 and negatives of counting numbers are called integers. Integers are four types. One is positive integers, second one is negative integers, third one is non-negative integers and fourth one is non-positive integers. What is positive integers? Examples are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. They are positive integers. What is negative integers? -1, -2, -3. These are the negative integers. And what is non-positive integers? Non-positive integers are 0, -1, -2, -3. These are the non-positive integers. And what is non-negative integers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the non-negative integers. Coming to next one is even numbers. A number divisible by 2 is called an even number. Example 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. Coming to next one is odd numbers. A number not divisible by 2 is called an odd number. Example 1, 3, 5, 7 etc. Coming to next topic is prime numbers. A number greater than 1 having exactly two factors, namely 1 and itself, is called a prime number. How it will be found? Let us check. To find whether a number is prime or not. Prime means it having two factors. One is it is must be divisible by number 1 and another one is it must be divisible by its. Take one example. If 6 is prime or not. How many factors having 6? 6 having 3 factors. 1, 2, 3. So, we know how many factors of prime number? It having only 2 factors. But here 6, it having 3 factors. So, 6 is not a prime number. Let us take another example. If 191 is prime or not. Here 6 is very small number. That's why we are finding very easily. But 191 is big number. So, it is some complicated. So, like these numbers having some logical trick. How to find out 191 is prime or not? Let us take near square number of 191. What is the nearest square number of 191? 14 square. 14 square equal to 196. That's why you are taking 14 here. And write down before the numbers of 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And write down the prime numbers. It having only two factors. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. And check it. 191 is divisible by 2? No. 191 is divisible by 3? No. 191 is divisible by 5? No. 191 is divisible by 7? No. 191 is divisible by 11? No. 191 is divisible by 13? No. Out of all these, no number is divisible by 191. If any one number is divisible by 191, it is not a prime number. So here, no number is divisible by 191. That's why 191 is a prime number. Another example. If 221 is prime or not. Let us take nearest square number of 221 is 15 whole square means 225. And write down before numbers of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And write down the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Let us check it. 15 is divisible by 2? No. 221 is divisible by 2? No. 221 is divisible by 3? No. 221 is divisible by 5? No. 221 is divisible by 7? No. 221 is divisible by 11? No. 221 is divisible by 13? Yes, it is divisible by 13. Like this, 13, 17 is 221. So, it having 3 factors. Prime number having only 2 factors, but 221 having 3 factors. That's why 221 is not a prime number. This is the topic of prime number. Coming to next one, composite numbers. Numbers greater than 1 which are not prime are called composite numbers. Example 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Coming to next one, coprimes. Two natural numbers a and b are said to be coprime if their HCF is 1. Example 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. These are the coprimes. These are the topics of numbers and types of numbers. In our next section, we will discuss tests of divisibility. If you have any doubt in this section, please comment your doubt in comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.